Hey everyone, in this video you will learn to send notification messages to your team on Slack on receiving a inbound SMS from your clients or your leads in Close CRM application. So guys, Close is a CRM application in which you can set up inbound SMS system, and as and when you are going to receive any SMS, you don't have to inform about it to your team manually. This automation is going to do that for you, and we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's begin. So to set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account. So I have pasted this link in the description, guys. So you can set up your free Pabli Connect account right now, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. After signing up, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabli Connect. Okay. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. And here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as Close CRM to Slack. Okay. So you can give any other name as well. And after that, you have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up this automation. So here you can see our automations work on these two things. The trigger is saying when this happens, action is saying do this. So whenever anything happens in any application will act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So it will make Pabli Connect perform any action automatically, right? So here, guys, we are going to choose the trigger application first, and after that we are going to choose the trigger event. So in our use case, Close CRM would be our trigger application, and receiving of any inbound SMS will act as a trigger event. So here, let me search for Close. Here it is. You can see, select it. And the trigger event would be new SMS. So here you can see it is going to trigger when a new SMS is created. Select this, then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. And here it is asking for the API key and the password. So you need to leave the password field blank and just fill the API key of Close application, and you will find the key in the settings of Close account. So let me go to my Close account. This is the Close application, and here you can see I have the settings option and integrations option. So click on integrations tab. All right. And here you can see under the connect section, we have this API keys option. Click on API keys. And under the API key, guys, you can generate a key by clicking on this new API key button. And here you can give a name to this key. So I'm giving the name as Slack key. You can give any name. Then click on create API key, and this is the key we got generated. Now click on copy to clipboard and paste this key here in this field like this. And then click on save, and you can see we are now connected. All right. So now you can close this key, right? And let me go to my inbox. So this is the inbox, the inbound inbox of Close CRM, and here you can see we have 2 SMS from any customer. Okay, right. So what I'm going to do, I am going to click on save and send test request button here, and it will start showing waiting for the response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to manually send a demo SMS to the number you are using in Close. So Close gives you a inbound SMS receiving number, so that you can share with your customers on or on your website to receive inbound SMSs. So to that number, I'm going to manually send a SMS from my number or from my teammate's number just to set up this automation, so that the data of that SMS will be captured here in this response section, and it will act as a test data for us to set up the automation further. So let me send a SMS here in the inbox of Close. So right now we have 2 SMS. Let's see what happens. So guys, you can see we have just received a new SMS, and I have myself sent this SMS to the Close number that we are using, and this is the SMS. It is just saying hello, we are just testing this automation in real time. Okay, so let us see in the workflow if we got the response captured of this number or not, of this SMS or not. And here you can see, guys, we got this response captured in this section, and here it is showing the object type as activity.sms, and here you can see the username of the account. Here you can see the text received in the SMS is this. Okay, the status is inbox and the direction is inbound, type is SMS. So this is how you can capture the details, right? Now, guys, I want to inform my team on Slack that we have just received an SMS. For that, we are going to connect Slack here. But guys, we want to inform our team on Slack only when we receive an inbound SMS. We do not want to inform the team when we send any SMS to any person. Okay, so for that we are going to apply a condition here that whenever we are going to receive SMS, then only we want to send a notification on Slack. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the section step. In the section step, we are going to use a feature of Pabli Connect, which is called filter. So filter, with the help of filter feature, you can apply a filter. You can apply a condition that whenever we are going to receive an SMS, then only we want to notify our team on Slack. Okay, so I am selecting filter option here, and here it is asking to select the label, select the filter types, and put a value here. So I'm going to select this label that I have received here in the previous step or the trigger step. Here you can see we have this event data direction label in which it is written inbound. Okay, so I'm going to select this label here. Let me show you. You just have to click here and the trigger step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will see all the things that you have received in the first step. So from here only you can scroll down and select the event data direction label, then select the filter type as equals to, and you have to put the value here as you have received the data here. So just copy this inbound and paste here in the value. So this means whenever the direction data event label shows you inbound, then only continue the workflow. This is what it means. So when you click here on save and send test request button, it will show you that the condition is true. So when this condition matches true, that this direction label shows you this value, then only continue the workflow, and after that send a SMS to the team on Slack. So I have just clicked on the plus icon, and from this action step I am going to connect with Slack. So search for Slack here, then select the action event as send channel message, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack, and here it will ask for the token type. So for connecting with Slack, we have two token types here, user or bot. So for either of these token types, we have different kind of permission accesses to Slack. So you can learn about the permissions by clicking on this here word, and you will reach the forum page of Pabli Connect. And here you can learn about the token types of Slack. So when you select user as the type, you will get following permissions. And when you use bot, you can get these permissions. So accordingly, you can choose the token. Right now, I'm selecting user as a token type. Then click on save. And it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. But as I have already logged in my Slack, it is just asking us to give the required access to Pabli Connect for connecting with Slack. So from here, you can select your space. This is my space. Then click on allow. Click on allow. Okay. And you can see the authorization is successful, and now we are connected. All right. And here it is asking for the channel's name. So in Slack, my channel's name is this, my business. Okay. So I'm going to select it from this channels list. Search for your channel's name. Okay. And here you can type a message for your team. So let me type the message. So guys, I have typed the SMS as this, message as this for my team. Hello team, we have just received a new inbound SMS and close CRM. The details are as follows. And here I am going to place the message I have received in the trigger. So I have received the message, the whole message you can see here in this text label. Okay, so I'm going to map this text label here in front of this message received words. So from this close step, map the text label like this. Okay, right. Now you can use all these things also. The features available for Slack, you can give a bot's name as well. Okay, if you're sending any links, you can use this feature, all right. Or and you can check your connection with Slack by clicking on save and send test request button, and a test SMS will be delivered here in this channel. Let me show you that. I'm clicking on save and send test request button, and this is the response we have received. Let's see in Slack if we got a new message. And here you can see we got a new message. Hello team, we have just received a new inbound SMS and close. This is the message. So this is the same message that I have typed and mapped here. Okay. So when you map a label like this, the messages that you are going to receive every time in close are going to be updated in this label and will be sent to your team automatically like this. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the data here. Okay, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, it is going to run automatically in the background. So whenever in future, whenever you're going to receive a new inbound SMS, your team is going to be notified automatically. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabli Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.